Alright, so what's up? I just decided to make this video real quick so that for all my fellows who are just getting started in appointment setting and then need a quick script that they can use. So essentially, I just want you to put your freaking YouTube and watch this on full screen and literally suck out, extrapolate all the information that I teach you in this video. It's going to be a very quick one because it's just a beginner video. Alright, so let's just get straight into it. So the stupid, simple beginner appointment setting script. So I want you to see them. So your goal is to set the call and nothing more. And it's for beginners who just want to set calls without sounding like a robot. So rapport is this will be 30 seconds max. You're not their best friend. Your goal is just to break the ice. So you need to use lines like, "Hey man, saw you're in the X space. How's it been going lately? You've been doing X for a while now, yeah? Random, but I like that post you made about X. You do that for clients too?" So your goal is just to not overthink it. Just make them feel like they're talking to a real person. So just be chill, casual. Your goal is to comfort, not be close or anything like that. Next is ammo, 1 to 2 minutes long. So this is where you find the reason that they might book a call or their pain points. So you might want to ask about their pains. What's the biggest bottleneck right now? The desires. Where are you trying to take it in the next 6 months? And then the beliefs. Why do you think X is more important or why? Then the goal is to figure out what they want, what's stopping them, and what they believe about growth. So you have to freaking listen, active listening. You're supposed to take mental notes. You're collecting ammo to use in your pitch later. So when you're going to value drop and you're going to get them the CTA. So finally, after getting out all the ammo, it's time to pitch them or value drop. So this will be 1 minute long. You're supposed to use the ammo, keep it simple, and don't oversell. So the structure is gotcha. So based on what you said about pain, I actually help niche offer. The people I work with usually struggle with pain, and we fix that offer. Not sure if it's a fit, but happy to explain it on a quick call soon or later. So your goal is to use what they told you to offer a call. So there's no salesy push. So the template is based on what you said about pain. I actually help X niche solve that using your special method or your unique mechanism for the business that you're setting for. We've done this for a similar type of client that is struggling with this kind of pain. And not sure if it's a fit, but happy to break it down on a quick call. So you're supposed to keep it chill. Curiosity is better than persuasion. So your key phrase, not sure if it's a fit, for low pressure and high conversions. Then CTA, which will be like 30 seconds call. So it's 30 seconds long. So you're supposed to log in the call and be specific. So lines that work. "Hey man, you free for a quick 15-minute call this week? Can shoot you my calendar. What's a good time? Totally cool if not a fit, but it might be worth a chat." So be specific. Don't just say let's talk soon or anything like that. Some stupid shit like that. Next, handle objections or objection handling. So this is pretty much optional if they bring some up depending on the marketing of your client. So you're not supposed to beg. You're just supposed to stay chill, lean back like this. So the common ones are I don't have time. So counter to that is all good. That's why it's just 15 minutes. What is it exactly? Well, we can break it down on the call if you're curious. Send me the info. Happy to, but convo's better for context. Down. So you're supposed to just get them straight to the call. All their objections will be answered on the sales call. You're not supposed to answer those objections now because the setting call is supposed to just find their pains, beliefs, desires, get some ammo, and learn more about the prospect so that the closer can close them. So your goal is to gently deflect or reframe. So you're not supposed to get defensive. So your rule is just to stay calm, don't chase, and always lean back.